Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss how to cite a journal article. It is very important to know how to give the citation in the manuscript or in any presentation. The method 1, which I suggest you here is, first go to the Google Scholar, then you paste your paper title which you want to cite in your manuscript. You will be pop out with that paper, right? You can see here below that you can see the icon. When you click that icon, it is given in the arrow. You can see here you will be getting a different style of application, right? You can see MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. These are the different standard style which will be used for or used by the publisher. I suggest you to follow here is APA. APA, that is American Physiological Association. It is a standard style which will be used for or used by the publisher. So for our presentation, I prefer to use the APA. Okay, and also I will show how to do with the real time. Okay, I will show in the browser also. See the method 2. So this is the standard IEEE format. Okay, this one we need to change. If you take any paper, you need to change based on this format. First should have author name. Okay, first you have author name, then should give the year of publication. Okay, then you have to give the year of publication, then you have to provide dot, then what is the title of the paper, then dot, then what is the journal name, what is the journal name, and what next comma, then volume and issue number, then comma, then page number. So you have to strictly follow this reference format. Okay, when you want to submit or going with any presentation, if the conference are in the manuscript, it was mentioned that you should follow the IEEE, you should follow this standard format. For our presentation, you can follow either method 2 or method 1. In the method 1, I suggest you to follow the APA. Okay, so APA, you just go to the Google Scholar. Once you click that, you will be getting this style. I will show you how to do in the with the Google browser. Now go to this Google browser and you can type this basic URL, google.co.in. Here you type Google Scholar. Okay, so you just click this Google Scholar URL. If you know the URL, you can type directly in the Google page. Okay, otherwise you can go like this. Okay, if you are going first time to the Google Scholar, then you type your article which you want to see here. Okay, like a basic research topic. So I'm just type smart dustbin using IoT. See, you can see the list of papers which is through by the Google server, right? So you can customize the range also. So like I am just giving 19 to 21. So 19 to 21. See, you can see here, and I want to cite this article. Consider I want to cite this first article, that is household waste management system using IoT and machine learning. See, just click this. I want to cite. You can see below the hand option, you can see cite. So just click. See, you can see MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. So as I suggest you in the you want to take the APA. So just click this and copy in your presentation. So I request you to follow the same in the during the presentation. Okay, so thank you.